ManicMods has a must-share update to the Govee Star. It seems like only yesterday I'd shared my original Govee Star, which I admit looks a bit cheap. It's a good idea if you're in a pinch, but if you have $18 to spend and want a more polished look, you can't go wrong with this quick do-it-yourself. I picked up this star on a gamble in hopes I would be able to open it for retrofitting Govee's Christmas lights into. You'll notice it's nicely constructed for its price, and as a bonus includes a package of tree topper extensions. While I do appreciate the flexibility of the design, I throw serious shade at the manufacturer for adding this CE marking. Had this actually been certified, it would have had proper strain relief. As such, I do not recommend using the star as intended. I do recommend opening it, which can be done with a credit card or small pry tool. I'm not really sure why I decided to rip the wire out of it, but everything worked out okay. Opening the star was relatively easy as I went point to point and separated the posts from their sleeves. Friction holds this star together, but I do believe one of the points was glued. I was able to rotate the star on that point to complete the disassembly. Once gutted, you could pretty much guess what happens next. Take your time and go point to point with the Govee strand. Here, the guides intended for the original strand lend themselves well to your Govee string, and you'll find the star is the perfect size to go point to point with each light. When I was done with the perimeter, I loosely packed another 6 pixels in the star before sealing it up. Any wires that protruded were easily tucked back in before reassembling the star. This retrofit took me only 10 minutes and just might be my favorite Govee mod to date. As always, the parts needed for this modification are in the description of this video. I appreciate you sticking around. I know this is a small do-it-yourself, but it represents a very large channel goal of mine, and that's modifying and improving everyday consumer products. So if that's something you're interested in, stick around for more.